Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make this really cute heart. It's very fast to make and it's a perfect addition for Valentine's Day decor. Okay, for the pattern I'll be using red acrylic yarn and a 4mm crochet hook. For the first step of the tutorial we're going to do a magic ring. If you don't know how to make a magic ring, please take a look at one of my basics video. It's a whole playlist that shows all the basic stitches. From the magic ring, we're going to make 2 chains. 1, 2. Now from here, we're going to do 3 treble crochets or triple crochets inside the magic ring, and the way you do those is you do yarn over twice, you'll insert the hook into the ring, and I'll be crocheting in this tail end as well, grabbing the yarn, pulling through until you have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more, and yarn over, pull through the rest 2 more. Okay, so that's 1 triple crochet or treble crochet. Let's do that 2 more times. Yarn over twice, insert the hook into the magic ring, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2 more, and last 2. So that's 2. 1 more to go. Yarn over twice. There you go, and finish off the triple crochet or treble crochet. Okay, so that's where we are. If you look closely, here's the first, here's the second, and here's the third. Then we're going to do 3 double crochets. So that's just 1 time yarn over. Again, we insert the hook into the magic ring, grab the yarn, I messed it. Grab the yarn, pull it through until you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more. That's 1. And we need 2 more of these. Yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, pull through until you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more. Last time. Alright, so now we have 3 double crochets. From here, we're going to do 1 more double crochet. And 1 more triple crochet or treble crochet. Okay. From here, we're going to continue, yarn over, and do 1 double crochet. Next, 3 double crochets. And then 3 treble crochets. Two. And 3. Okay, that's where we are. Then lastly, we're going to do chain 2, and that is how we started off on this side. And then we're going to do a slip stitch inside the magic ring. Okay, and just 1 chain. Okay, so from here we're going to close the magic ring by pulling on the tail end. And there is the heart. And what I'm going to do is just cut this yarn, pull it out. I'm going to pull on to the tail ends to close the magic ring very well. And there. That is my heart. And then the last thing you might want to do is simply hide the tail end in the back. And for that you can use a small crochet needle. Just thread the needle in the back of the heart. Take one of the tail ends. Okay. And just weave the ends in the back. And you can do the same thing on the other side with the other tail end. If you'd like, you can also connect these two and make earrings. You can turn it into Martenitsa. As you know, it's a Bulgarian tradition where people wear red and white in March, and you can connect it. You can use a small string to connect the two. This twisted strings quite a bit. A lot of people wear it as a bracelet, a very simple bracelet, or stack multiple bracelets, just like that. I have tons of these, red and white. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope to see you in the next one. Please subscribe to my channel and comment below. Have a good one!